Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we are going to talk about how to fill low spots in your lawn. This video will explain different methods you can apply to fill low spots in your lawn, so make sure you stick around for that. Top dressing the low spot. Top dressing is easier if the low spot is less than an inch. Use compost instead of regular soil because the compost improves fertility over time. Cover the low spot area with compost and rake it to make it even. Water the area so the compost can settle in. Over time, the pre-existing grass below will grow out and make the space even to the other parts of the lawn. Seeding the low spot. You can also use this method if the low spot is not too deep. It requires no digging, as all you must do is spread grass seed in the area. The grass will grow over time and fill the spot. Before adding the seeds, pour some compost or topsoil over the soil and spread the seeds. Cover the seeds with mulch to ensure that they don't dry. You can use peat moss, straw, or buy manufactured mulch. The mulch will help conserve the moisture. Sodding. If your low spot is deeper than an inch, you're better off with sodding or using thatch grass from your low spot. Sod is pre-grown grass. You can purchase it or use one from the low spot. First, 1. Use a lever or straight stick to identify the low spot. 2. Cut out around the low spots at least 2 inches and set the sod aside. 3. Fill the hole with topsoil. If it is deeper, backfill it with stones or broken bricks first, then layer the topsoil evenly. 4. Once done, put the sod back in place and stamp on it with your foot. 5. If your low spot does not have adequate sod, you can purchase one. Ensure the grass is similar to the one on your lawn. 6. Water the area consistently so the tuft of grass does not dry out. So, there you have it. Filling low spots in your lawn is easy to prevent tripping and injuring yourself or others. You can leave a comment or ask questions. Please like and share the video. Till next time.